Hello all. Today we are going to see about the insight from the Titanic dataset which I have taken from the Kaggle website. Okay. I have shown here the Titanic raw dataset which I have imported from the Kaggle website. It contains records of more than 891 rows and along with some attributes like passengers, ID, survived, P-class, name, sex, age, SIBSP, patch, ticket, fare, cabin, embarked. Among these attributes, everything is not needed. We only need only few attributes like passenger ID, survived, P-class, name. The two name is not required since name is personal data, and since we get privacy issues, so we will exclude the name. The first step involved in getting insight from the data is data pre-processing. So we are now starting with the data pre-processing process. From these 12 attributes, we don't require each and every attribute. We would just throw off those attributes which would the passengers personal details like name and the SIB patch, SIBSP patch, and others like ticket fare. They are not required data, so we would just simply cut off them, and finally only 5 attributes will remain. Then we have to clear those blank and null values. We have to fill them out. Then here we are having 891 records, 891 passengers details, with having unsurvived 549 and survived passengers 342. Since they are unbalanced, we have to balance them. So making them balanced, we are taking exactly 300 survived and 300 unsurvived. For this, we are extracting 549 records of those unsurvived and 342 records of those survived in separate sheets. Then taking a random function. Then using a random function, we are creating numbers from 1 to 549 and 1 to 342. From this, we are going to extract only 300 records. For this, we are using query. From this Power Query, we are extracting only 300 records. After all those data pre-processing, we would end up in this final data, pre-processed data. This is the main data: passenger ID, survey, P-class, sex, and age. These are the data which I kept according to for our reference. Okay. After the data pre-processing, the next step involved is pivot table. For creating these pivot tables, we are pressing this triangle option, and after that, in the insert tab, we are pressing the pivot table option. Here we are having 5 pivot tables for showing age-wise who are all being survived and totally survived. Then among this age, who are all survived in the elders, in child, in teenage, and in adult. Totally 6 pivot tables. Okay. After creating all these, we are moving on to the dashboard, which is the interesting part in our project. It's so colorful. Creating dashboard is very easy. Using this pivot table, we are creating charts. For this, we are creating a chart, pressing the insert option, pivot chart, and the chart would randomly get displayed. From this, we can choose a chart according to our data set, and creating each and every and creating pivot chart for those 6 pivot tables. We would end up in a dashboard basic level of dashboard. After placing all these charts like total survived chart, age-wise survived, child, teenage, adult, elder. After placing all these charts, we are going to give life form to these charts by giving connections. By pressing this, we would get an option called Analyze. Here, we would get an option called insert slicer. Using this insert slicer, we would get the settings for this dashboard, which are the hard for these dashboards. If we click on this, whatever attributes are linked with this chart, you would get displayed on you get displayed. With these, if we check box on them, then we would get a settings like this. We can access to the data for our understanding. Then we can make connections for the settings and for the charts. Here, by pressing on this, analyze, filter connections, we can manage all the settings. I will perform the dashboard calculations now. These three settings are for these two dashboards, these two charts. Clicking on this female, then it says that among them the total surveyed females are 206. Age-wise surveyed females are here. Then from first class, and the female surveyed are in the first class is 82. Like this, we can access the data according to our wish. Then the bottom four settings are for child, teenage, adult and elder. Here I will perform something. By clicking on this 45, we would get that in the age 45, elders, male elders are 2 and female elders are 3. The adult age, male adult is 1 and female is 1. Like this, we can manage our settings. Thus, we have created a beautiful insight from the Titanic dataset. Thanking you.